Yeah, my name is Dominic Brachet, I'm one of the line pilots here at WPD Helicopter Unit. So we look after, Western Power covers 4 distribution areas of the electricity network across the country, and we look after all the assets to continue the power supply across the country to make sure that the power gets from the power stations essentially out to people's houses. So this is it's an EC135, it's a P1 version, so it's got they come with the Pratt & Whitney Turbo Mecha variants. This is the Pratt & Whitney variant. And P1 being an early model, so it's a very manual machine. It's got a stability augmentation system, but that is pretty much its only tech. The rest of it, more modern machines have got autopilot, and they're a much more manual machine, which makes them ideal for this job because it's a very manual flying job. So we do a lot of manual handling, low level online. The 135 specifically is a great machine because although it looks quite a sizable helicopter, it's in it's a 2.8 ton fully loaded machine. It's actually about as small as you can have for the capability. And by the capability, I mean we operate low level. We operate, potentially in urban environments. We can operate down to 200 feet in urban environments. So this gives us full Class 1 ability, full OEI flyaway capability, pretty much at all weights. So in order for us to maintain that safety aspect and, keep us happy, keep CA happy, keep the customer happy, it's a very powerful machine in that respect. It's great maneuverability, great work platform with all the gear on, and the safety aspects are phenomenal. Primarily, we will try and, as much as in the helicopter world, keeping away from wires is generally perceived to be a good thing. And for us, it's getting as close to the asset as possible to provide the best view. And even for the high-tech stuff, the high-res camera is great from a distance. It's even better when you're close up. So we'll try and get the helicopter as close to the asset as we can. So for the smaller wood poles, which are 30 foot high, we will try and be alongside them a couple of meters to the side of the line. So we're flying along at potentially 35 feet to look at the smallest poles. And obviously, as we go up in voltage and the structure gets bigger, we'll be flying at high profile. Then we come to the technology. So this is a tracker ball made by Track in Sweden, and this is a multi-sensor system. So it's got all built into this are the 4 sensors. We've got the high-res optical. We've got high-res video as well. There's the thermal camera and the UV camera all built into this ball here. And then on the back, this is the laser scanner. This is the LiDAR unit provided by LiDAR company Regal in Austria. And this permanently capturing the 3D map of the ground, of the lines, etc. Along with, it's combined with high-res optical pictures as well, so that if there is a conflict on the line, we can go back, look at the data, see where it is, and then there's visual imagery to then match up to the LiDAR data. And all of that data coming from these various bits of kit is plumbed into the system in the back where we've got our mission systems operator who is managing the different screens and all the different parts of that surveillance equipment.